How's everyone doing on this nice Saturday, chilly Saturday afternoon? Beautiful day. Beautiful sun is shining. Let's give thanks to the sun. Right now, I'll be showing you this 2016 Hyundai Sonata GLS with 53,000 miles. Black with kind of tan cloth interior. Very good condition. Hyundai Sonata. Very good, reliable car. Personally, Hyundai has stepped its game up, competing with good quality cars. They really hold up. Very nice car, and good looking car too. 4-cylinder, very good on gas. These cars. It's got a nice look to it. Again, this is the GLS, so she's a little on the basic side. Not a lot of fancy features. A very good condition, good mileage on the car. She's got Bluetooth, which is cool, kinda. She's got brand new tires. Good mileage. Let's show you the trunk space. She's got nice trunk space back there, so you can fit a body or two, maybe 3. So a very short video. Again, 2016 Hyundai Sonata GLS, 53,000 miles. Got a really good price on her. Come get her while she's hot. BuyRightAutoCenter. Peace and love.